Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can stop the background running services if you're using Chrome. So let's do that. First of all, we need to start Chrome, and then let's click here and go to settings, and here you need to search hardware. After searching hardware, you will see the continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just disable it, and you can see the use hardware acceleration when available. So you can just don't disable, it will work fine, and you can just close and relaunch. That's it. It will work better than required. You can also check in Task Manager, and here you can see the Chrome is running lower as required. The services are, you can see I have already opened very sort of tabs, so you can use this facility to use background running services. And thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.